All right, so we've got a new pet. So we've got a PawGiant fencing system, so we can try and keep our pet inside of our yard and try and keep them within a dedicated space. So once you've got your pieces out of the box, you've got a bunch of these pieces that are similar where they're the side panels, and then you've got one where you can see it's got the actual door. So this is gonna be your door, so we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna take the first panel piece and line it up like this. The little grommet holes line up one on top of the other. That's how you know you're doing it the correct way. If you're doing it backwards, these actually don't let you line them up. So that's how you'll know if you're doing it the correct way or not. And then you add the last one, connecting the gate to the rest of the fencing. There you go. Last thing you have to do, pick up your pet, and you can put them right inside the cage. And there you go. A safe, secure space to keep all your pets when you can't keep your eyes on them. Come on. Come on out, girl. Come on. There you go.
Look at the ladybug.